guys, what's up? It's me, Rome. I just wanted to show you the first game that I had made using Unity. Basically, this game is coded from scratch. Every movement and every game logic that is being used here is something that I had coded from what I have learned with Unity beginner's course. So this is an application of what I have learned so far. So the first script that I actually created is the player controller script, where the player can actually move left and right on the horizontal axis. I think this is the what is it? It's the x-axis, yeah, x-axis, and then it can move to the z-axis as well. Um, the player can shoot laser, and both the laser can for fun. Oh, shizer. Yes, I kill it. Yeah, it's hard to talk and play. I'm not so used to that. Um, so we created laser attacks so that when the laser hits the enemies, there's a collision detection, and then both the laser and the enemy ship gets taken out from the scene view. We had also created like a out of bounds script, like for example, that I was almost gonna get hit by that plane. Um, like for example, with a certain range, the laser is automatically deleted from the game view, and also what else that we have learned? The camera follow script. So you see that the camera is following the player wherever he goes. And then another script that we have created is the rotation, which is very simple, but it creates a lot of drama when you have a very nice game environment. So the asteroids are actually part of this very simple rotation script, and so is the tunnel here that is rotating. Some of the things that I have not discussed is the camera. There's a glitch. It's a camera glitch script that I had made. That is something that I researched online. What else? So we had created spawn manager. So every time we click some arrows here, it spawns. I didn't use the time array. I just wanted to use the every if a person click left or right arrow keys, then enemies has to be spawned. And then we had learned how to create variables. So now our ships can actually have different variable for their speed, so they're quite fast. So I get away from there. Okay. I haven't created any UI for this one because I haven't started learning from that. So basically, this is what I have learned. So we had created enemy. It's a basic gameplay. So we can create arrays of enemies, and then so when this ships goes out of the game view, they all also get automatically deleted. So what else have we done? So do we have create the player controller, the follow camera script, the detect collision, the move forward, and the destroy out of bounds script. So the hope this is just an update of what I am doing. It's Friday today in Stockholm. I hope you're all doing well wherever you are in the world and have a nice weekend. Thanks for watching and cheers. Goodbye. Hey do.